Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, just a really quick video today to show you some Uber promo codes working in 2025 that is going to supply you with a $100 balance. Anyway guys, let's get into the tutorial. I was searching hours looking for the best Uber promo codes. I found very little. Some of them saved you a tiny bit of money off your next booking. I can show you guys a Uber promo code or coupon code that's going to supply you with a $100 credit into your account. I say dollars, but you can hear I'm in the UK, so it does just translate into your local currency. So for me, it's around 75 Great British pounds straight into your Uber account using a promo code. So you've got to go to this website, guys, to get yours. Go to Cold Coupons. So open up the internet. Make sure you do this on your mobile phone and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your internet browser. Cold Coupons is a site with loads of coupon codes and game codes. Let me just swap to light mode. There you go, guys. Hopefully that doesn't blind you too much. But they have loads of pages. So go to the search bar where it says search here and just type in Uber. And they have Uber Eats, but we're interested in the Uber one here. You can see there's one verified coupon being used, tons, highly rated as well. So scroll down and here we go, free $100. Get a $100 Uber account credit. So this is a Uber promo code, guys, that you can redeem in your Uber app, and it's going to supply you with a $100 balance for completely free. So click on get code. This just confirms your choice. You can see, guys, these codes are limited, but there is a bunch of them. So click on show full code here to unlock your full Uber promo code. Okay, so the code is valid. Your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you can see, guys, your Uber coupon code is locked and the code is hidden. You need to unlock the full code, guys. So what you're going to need to do is tap on get full code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. It says here, complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons, and follow the instructions for each. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. Now, it says 30 seconds. It does usually take a few minutes, a little bit longer than that. But yeah, basically, guys, all you need to do is select 2 of the free tasks that you see on this list. I've only got 2. If you're in the US, you may see slightly more than this. And it's pretty easy, guys. You just need to select any 2 tasks and read the description. So you can see this one says here, answer the questions and fill in valid details. So if you choose that one as an example, you would just answer the questions and fill in a valid email address, and that one would be complete. So all you need to do, guys, is basically complete 2 of those tasks, and it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Uber promo code will be fully revealed. You can redeem it. So it will allow you to copy it, and then you can paste it into the Uber redeem code section, and it's going to supply you with a $100 balance. So it's pretty easy, guys. I've already done this. It does limit 1 code per person, so you just got to go and get yours at Cold Coupons. And once you reach this page, just search for the Uber coupons and yeah, select your code, guys. Make sure you fully unlock your code, follow all of the instructions, and that's the best Uber promo code in 2025. I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace.